Hey there, and welcome. So, we're all seeing it, right? AI is completely changing how we do business. But here's the thing, unlocking its real potential and doing it safely, well, that takes a brand new skill. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today, prompt engineering. Now, before we get rolling, just a quick heads up. This is actually part one of a completely free 20-lesson tutorial. It's called Prompt Engineering Strategies, Getting the Results You Want While Protecting Privacy and Sensitive Information. And it's brought to you by Virtualization Options LLC. So yeah, we're starting right from square one to build a really solid foundation for everything that comes next.
So let's start with a question that I bet is on a lot of people's minds. You know, AI is now a core business tool, but are you really getting the results you want? And maybe even more importantly, are you doing it safely? Are you sure your company's data is protected?
Well, the answer to both of those questions comes down to learning how to talk to AI. So let's get into it. What is prompt engineering? It's really the skill of talking to AI. So what are we talking about here? At its core, prompt engineering is all about crafting really precise instructions to guide these AI systems to give you exactly what you need. You know, it's almost like learning a new language. A language that bridges the gap between what's in your head, your human intent, and what the machine is capable of doing.
And this image, it just perfectly captures the whole idea. Think about it. Effective communication is that bridge, right? It connects your human ideas with the results you can get from AI. Without that bridge, your ideas and the AI's power are on two separate sides of a canyon. With it, you've got a direct path to amazing results.
I love this quote. Prompt engineering transforms AI from a mysterious black box into a reliable business partner. And that's such a huge shift in thinking, isn't it? For so many, AI feels like this mysterious black box. You put something in, something comes out, but you don't know why. This skill changes all of that. It turns the AI into a partner you can actually rely on.
Okay, that all sounds pretty good, but why does this really matter to you? Let's talk about the business superpower that this skill gives you. When you boil it all down, there are really three huge benefits. First, improved output quality. You're going to get accurate, relevant answers that actually help your business, not just generic stuff. Second, time efficiency. Who has time for endless back and forth? This helps you get what you need on the first try. And third, privacy protection. You learn to structure your requests to get your work done without putting sensitive information at risk. All right, let's double-click on that last point, because honestly, it's the most important one, protecting your data. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a paramount concern.
Here's the thing you absolutely have to understand. Every single prompt you send to an AI system, well, it can be loaded with valuable information. We're talking business data, customer info, even your secret strategic plans. It's all in there.
And if you don't have the right precautions in place, you are risking a lot. You could inadvertently expose confidential data. You could create some really serious compliance violations. And you could literally be feeding your competitors strategic insights. This isn't a maybe, it's a real danger.
Okay, enough doom and gloom about the risks. Let's actually put this theory into practice. It's time to write your very first prompt.
So we're going to start simple. I want you to write your first prompt. And the goal is just to describe your main business service or product. That's it. Just 2 or 3 sentences is all you need. Now, to get you started, just think about a few key questions. First, who are your customers? Who are you actually trying to help? Second, what problem do you solve for them? And third, what makes your approach unique? What's your secret ingredient? So go ahead, maybe even pause for a second and just write that down. And make sure you save it because this is important. We're going to be coming back to this exact prompt and making it better and better throughout this entire tutorial.
All right, before we wrap up, let's just quickly go over some key terms. These are the foundations you'll need to know.
First up, AI, artificial intelligence. For what we're doing here, just think of it as a really sophisticated system that's been trained on just massive amounts of data. Its job is to recognize patterns, understand context, and then generate text that sounds like a human wrote it, all based on the instructions you give it. And the second term is prompt. Super simple. A prompt is just your instruction. It's the question you ask the AI. And the big takeaway here is that the clarity of your prompt, well, it directly controls the quality of what you get back from the AI. So, I want to leave you with this final thought.
Your words, the way you frame a question, these are now incredibly powerful business tools. So the only question left is, are you ready to master them? Thanks for joining me for this first lesson, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.